welcome to my channel. I'm Jasmine and it's nice to meet you for those of you that are new here. Today it's a late start to the vlog. It's a super late start. I normally don't start vlogging this late in the day, but my morning has been like a late start as well and kind of crazy. I just did Ellie's makeup, who's also my roommate and the other half of Bless This Mess. I just did her makeup. She's going to family game night, I believe. So I did her makeup and then I showered. I gotta do my hair. I need to pick up my room in the house. My sister's coming over so we can cook dinner together. And yeah, I feel like today's a 2-cup coffee type of day. I've had like 1 cup, so I mean, I guess we should go get some coffee and get this day started. I really need to do my hair. My hair is probably going to be the longest part of today. And then on top of that, we are filming Bless This Mess. Okay, so the way that we do Bless This Mess, we normally, because she has a busier schedule than I do, so typically we like kind of bulk record. And then like we have like, so far we have like the blah, blah, get your words out, Jasmine. Typically we like bulk record, and right now we had all of March and some of April like already planned and ready to go. And then I realized St. Patrick's Day is coming up, and so we decided to do video for that. And so that is going out literally this Tuesday on the 16th. And so tonight we have to record that episode, or excuse me, tonight we're going to record that episode. And so I still have to set up for that, and I don't have green food coloring, so I need to find green food coloring. And then yeah, so I mean the rest of my day is pretty full. And then I think my sister said she's bringing my niece here too, so I need to hurry up and do my hair before my niece gets here, because she's only 8.5 months, 9 months, so she's like crazy and everywhere, so I can't do my hair while she's here. So let's get some coffee, let's get caffeinated, let's hurry up and do our hair. So let's go, because I don't have time to be wasting right now, you know. And I need a haircut so bad. Whatever. Okay, let's go, we got things to do. Okay, I am in my roommate's bathroom right now to do my hair, because honestly, I can't use my bathroom because like there's a plug. So like of course for the blow dryer, like there's on the bottom one there's like a plug, and then like I don't know, it's just weird. So I have to use my roommate's bathroom to blow dry my hair, but it is what it is. So I mean, the only thing that sucks about our bathroom is like the lighting's kind of bad in here, but you know what, I'm very appreciative that I even have a bathroom to use, to film, to do whatever. So let's just make the best of this and do our hair. Pinterest for this smoothie, which is, it's actually pretty good. I don't like banana, so I'm going to modify it. I tried it twice with banana and it just wasn't for me. And it's also supposed to have kale, but I ran out of kale, so we're just going to make do with what we have. But it's supposed to be like a detox smoothie. Do I feel like it really detoxes me? No, but it does make me feel healthier and better about my life. So we are going to have this as a snack before we get to cooking. And I know I still look like crap. I'm waiting for my sister to come, so I don't want to start my hair and then have to stop in the middle of it. So this is what we're working with for now. But instead of banana, I am gonna use strawberries, and then I just don't have any kale. But I did modify the recipe to only use 1 celery stick, 'cause I hate celery as well. And so I only use 1, and once it's blended, you can't taste it. So let's get to making. Done. Let's see what you did. This is supposed to be pancit.
Shut up!
But it's looking like soup. So I guess it's pon soup. The lighting is so horrible here. Sorry guys, I finally done my hair. It's kind of like a rough draft of my hair because I still have to like curl it or whatever so we can film Bless This Mess. But I'm so hungry. I am going to go eat now that my sister is, I think she's done cooking, but I am so hungry, so let's go eat. I'm so excited to eat this. I'm also curious of how she fixed the pancit, so let's go see. So my sister was kind of able to like fix her soupy pancit. My grandma failed to inform us that the broth isn't to actually cook with, it's just to soak the noodles. And
yeah, and I bought 4 things of broth to make it in, and I didn't need nothing but 1.
Literally, she opened 4 things of broth and she only needed like a little to soak it. And so, but it's not soupy, it's just like kind of like rubbery, I guess you would say. Like ish. But I mean, it's still good. I'm still gonna eat it. I'm not complaining. But oh, Susie.
Well, at least the flavor's there.
Yeah, the flavor's there. It's just like the noodles are kind of like rubbery-ish. And then she got...
Top ramen noodles too long.
Yeah, it's like cooking top ramen noodles too long. But then she also got like the small shrimp salads because like they don't have shells on it. And when I took a bite, I was like, I knew it was like tasting something. And then they had shells on them. So I guess it's kind of...
Who does that? What's salad shrimp?
Like, I don't understand. I mean, I guess it's just... What's the word? First time to go? Like...
No, first time is nonsense.
Trial and error, but at least we know better for next time.
Do we?
Oh man, I don't know what's happening. This lighting is just so horrible. Anyways, okay, I'm sorry about the lighting, but I just wanted to jump on here and end the vlog. I didn't want to be that person not end it for you. We were supposed to film Bless This Mess, but Ellie still isn't home, and I don't feel like... Why did my brain just go blank? I don't feel like filming tonight. I don't want to like do makeup and my hair and do all that. It's like already 11:11. I don't know when she's going to be home. So I'm just going to like finish editing this vlog. I'm already watching a movie. My Remsicle is sleeping. So I'm just going to end the vlog here. Again, sorry about the lighting. Okay, seriously, okay, I was like clearly watching the footage, like editing, and it's like I'm so winded all the time. Like, why the fuck do I sound so winded? Like, I know I'm fat, but like, calm the fuck down, bitch. Like, talk normal, like, breathe. You can have a conversation, you're good. I just see like that, like, what the fuck? Okay, I need to breathe. Anyways, thank you, beautiful people, so much for watching and spending time with me. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night, or whoa, my posture, or wherever you guys may be. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I'll see you beautiful people in the next video. Also, don't forget to head on over to Blessedest Mess, and again, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great night, guys. Bye.